This ICICI Bank has given us in writing on mail कि अगर हम कोर्ट केसेस जो हमने DRT में किए या कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में किए, पिटीशन हमने फाइल की है, अगर हमने उनको वापस नहीं लिया तो वो हमारी प्रॉपर्टी सीज कर देंगे.
So this is writing.
राइटिंग में दिया है. अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट क्रेडिट कार्ड का अभी तक नहीं दिया, 2-2.5 साल हो गए.
इवन से जहां पर ये एक्स पार्टी हो चुके हैं कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में, एक्स पार्टी वहां पर हो चुके हैं, वहां पर भी लोग नहीं आ रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द
This is extortion of money case में.
they are asking for affidavit. Yes, after that we will seize your property. What should I do in this case? You are the woman, sir.
And sir, RBI is not listening to us. So that is why we have filed a petition against RBI that High Court should order RBI to take proper action, a fair inquiry and investigation into this matter.
RBI is not listening to you and you are not listening to me.
Sorry.
Impeded the bank as a party. Bank will also have to be heard.
हाँ sir.
Bank or party will.
We will explain all the things. Yeah.
We are explaining, sir. Actually.
See, your main grievance is against the bank
Yes, sir. No, RBI, sir.
RBI.
on account of some actions of the bank.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we made complaint to RBI against all the discrepancies, but RBI did not take any actions. And because of that, our property was like
So you made an application to the RBI in respect of what?
in respect of credit card discrepancies, iMobile application, and because bank had not provided us credit card statement right from the start, right from
So
the
your grievance is against the bank.
yeah, but RBI is authority to take
So-
action against the bank.
Because RBI is helping them actually. There are so many incidents there.
When we complained to ICICI Bank, give us the account statement. We want to pay the money. Give us the account statement. So they said that you go to RBI Ombudsman. So we made a complaint to
I'll try to explain once again. Your complaint is against the bank to the RBI. That is correct?
and RBI did not take any.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So bank has to be implicated as a party in this petition. Bank also has to be heard before passing any orders.
Yeah, bank has submitted reply to RBI, but those are all false reply, and RBI is not taking any action against ICICI Bank.
So RBI took almost 3 years.
ICICI has submitted reply that we were not paying AMIs on time, but we have given the account statement that we are paying AMIs on time. So RBI is not taking any action against ICICI Bank.
So now situation is this.
So that is why we have filed a petition. This is mandamus.
Bank is a necessary party to this petition, in absence of which no order can be passed in this petition. Implicate the bank as a party.
Other developments which I want to bring into your notice. Those are important to be heard.
I will hear them once the bank is implicated as a party and notice is issued to the bank.
So the major issue is this: कि we have paid all the amounts which they've asked. Now, on the terms and condition, you cannot file any case against ICICI Bank, and you have to take back all the cases against RBI against ICICI Bank.
ICICI Bank is saying that you cannot go to any court. If you have gone to any court against us, then you have to take all the court cases back. You have to withdraw all the court cases. This ICICI Bank has given us in writing on mail कि अगर हम कोर्ट केसेस जो हमने DRT में किए या कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में किए, पिटीशन हमने फाइल की है, अगर हमने उनको वापस नहीं लिया तो वो हमारी प्रॉपर्टी सीज कर देंगे.
So this is writing.
राइटिंग में दिया है. अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट क्रेडिट कार्ड का अभी तक नहीं दिया, 2-2.5 साल हो गए.
इवन से जहां पर ये एक्स पार्टी हो चुके हैं कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में, एक्स पार्टी वहां पर हो चुके हैं, वहां पर भी लोग नहीं आ रहे हैं. So this is the
This is extortion of money case में.
they are asking for affidavit. Yes, after that we will seize your property. What should I do in this case? You are the woman, sir.
And sir, RBI is not listening to us. So that is why we have filed a petition against RBI that High Court should order RBI to take proper action, a fair inquiry and investigation into this matter.
RBI is not listening to you and you are not listening to me.
Sorry.
All your grievances are against the bank. The bank is not a party in this petition. Bank is a necessary party in this petition.
Sir, what should we do now?
Shall we file again?
I don't know. It is for you to decide. I am not here to advise. If you wish to prosecute your petition person, then you have to be aware of the procedures and the requirements. I am not here to guide you. It is for you to decide. And appropriate action.
That is what we did. That we approached the High Court to order RBI to take proper actions on our complaint.
तो सर मेजर ग्रीवेंस हमारे आरबीआई के अगेंस्ट हैं क्योंकि आरबीआई ने अपना एक्शन नहीं लिया टाइम से. दिस इज द कंसर्न सर.
आरबीआई ने टाइम पे एक्शन जो स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम फ्रेम है 90 डेज का, अगर आरबीआई ने एक्शन लिया होता तो ये सब होता ही नहीं फिर.
सर दे हैव टू मोर देन 3 years सर.
I will not feel good in dismissing the petition on account of non-impediment of necessary party. Choice is yours.
So we should send notice to our ICICI Bank to be present in the court in this case.
You don't have to send any notice. You have already made your complaints to the RBI.
So what should we do? RBI is not listening. It's not like 90 days का period है, उसने कुछ भी नहीं किया.
You have to raise your grievances, not ask questions.
So this is our grievance. That is why we have come to court. Why filing writ petition? The court directed the RBI to listen to find to do fair investigation on our complaint. That is why we have approached the High Court. Sir, you have got
ठीक है तो डायरेक्शन दे देते हैं उनको to conduct investigation in the matter.
प्लीज सर प्लीज.
please sir.
By this
Whatever
petition,
evidences are required, we will furnish all the evidences whatever happened with us.
is the governor of the Reserve Bank situated in Bhopal?
नो सर वी विजिटेड देयर. वी हैव विजिटेड देयर. तो वी हैव मतलब वहां पर हम लोग उसको भी पार्टी बनाए हैं क्योंकि ये केस ट्रांसफर हुआ चेन्नई में. दिस इज ये केस भोपाल से था.
चेन्नई कैसे पहुंच गया?
सर देयर सो मेनी इश्यूज. आरटीआई झूठी आरटीआई का जवाब दे रहे हैं वो लोग.
अरे ये पूछ रहे हैं आपसे कि आरबीआई कहाँ होता है? भोपाल में होता है, मुंबई, दिल्ली कहाँ होता है?
भोपाल का हेड ऑफिस है सर. हेड ऑफिस
भोपाल में होता है तो पूछा आप, मेरा
Sorry.
पूरा चालू हो गया. Either by this petition preferred under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioners have prayed for the following release. ऊपर लिख लीजिएगा the petitioners are present in person. The release quote कर देंगे. The petitioners have submitted that in respect of illegal actions of ICICI. कहाँ की ब्रांच है?
सर माला परिसर इंदौर. माला परिसर इंदौर.
ICICI Bank, Mala Parisar, Indore. The petitioners have referred various complaints before the respondent with a prayer for taking appropriate action in the matter. Stop. They have also visited the respondent from time to time, but no action is being taken by the respondent against the bank, which is causing great hardship and irreparable injury to the petitioners. Stop. A prayer has been made for a direction to the respondent to take action on the complaints of the petitioner as expeditiously as possible. Next, in the available facts of the case, the respondent is directed to advert to the complaints of the petitioners and to take appropriate action on the same in accordance with law within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of certified copy of this order by affording due opportunity of hearing to the bank. Stop. The petitioners are also directed to produce copy of their complaints before the respondent along with certified copy of this order. Next would be aforesaid, come up without expressing any opinion on merits, petition stands disposed of.
Yes.
They will take action.
Answer also.
Yes.